Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the key highlights from AWS reInvent 2024. Let's explore how AWS is reshaping technology with simplicity, scalability, and innovation. Let's dive right in. 1. Simplicity versus complexity. Let's start with the balance between simplicity and complexity. AWS highlighted how services like Amazon S3 keep things simple for users, even though the backend systems are incredibly complex. The lesson here: simplicity for users is key, even when systems need to be robust and intricate. 2. Architectural principles. Some key architectural principles stood out this year. First, design systems for evolvability so they're ready for future changes. Second, embrace decentralization, which adds flexibility and scalability. And third, focus on managing complexity, differentiating between what's essential and what's not. 3 lessons learned. We also learned some critical lessons. Always plan for failure and build systems that are resilient. Integrate cost considerations into every architectural decision. Canva's move to microservices is a great example of planning for growth and scalability. 4. Managing complexity. Managing complexity was a big theme. AWS emphasized breaking complex systems into smaller, manageable parts. Automation is a must. It reduces errors and improves efficiency. And remember, microservices should be the right size for your team and your users. 5. Real-world impact. One inspiring story was about Too Good To Go, a company tackling food waste. Using AWS, they've saved millions of meals globally, scaling their platform with a multi-region architecture to deliver a seamless experience. 6. Technological innovations. AWS also introduced exciting advancements like Blackfoot hardware, which enhances network capabilities. They emphasize predictable systems and cell-based architectures to boost reliability and minimize disruptions. 7. Future goals. Looking ahead, AWS is committed to building scalable and cost-efficient systems that have a global impact, proving that technology can truly make a difference. Here we. Closing the video, let's summarize the AWS reInvent. That's a wrap on the key updates from AWS reInvent 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which update excited you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.